I'm Brian Fisher, manager of the Media Relations Division for the Prince George's County Police Department. As you know, everything here is very preliminary and the investigation is proceeding. Speaking to you now is going to be our chief, George Nader.
Good afternoon. What information that we have is preliminary and subject to change, and I know you guys are going to have a lot of questions that we're not going to be able to answer because it's an ongoing investigation and it's very active, and we know you have information that you've heard over our radios, but what we're asking is that you keep that to yourselves right now out of respect for the victim's family, but also out of the integrity for the investigation. So with that, I'll go ahead and start. I'm Chief George Nader with the Prince George's County Police Department. Shortly before 12 noon, we got a call for a shooting at the MGM Casino and Resort in the food court. As officers responded, they located one victim in the food court. That victim is deceased. That victim is an adult male, we believe in the 20s. We do know that this was a targeted shooting based on our investigation at this point. It wasn't random, and this person did not happen upon this person. It appeared that they were looking for this person, chased them down, and the shooting occurred right there in the food court. We have no other people that are reported being injured. Right now, the only portion of the MGM that is affected is the food court. The rest of the MGM is open and active. We have not had crimes like this at the National Harbor, and crime in MGM and National Harbor is down approximately 32% for violent crime this year. So it's rare that instances like this occur. We're confident that we'll close this case. And with that, I'll take one or two questions, but there's not really a lot more information that I can give you.
Who are you searching for right now?
We're searching for a suspect that we have on video.
What's the description for the suspect?
We're not giving that out just yet, but if we have problems locating him, then we'll give that information.
Did he follow him from the garage, or like how far back can you track him?
The victim was in the food court. The suspect came into the food court and seemed like he knew where the victim was. And then went that way. We did, out of precautionary measure, lock down some of the local schools just till we got a handle on that the gunman was not on foot in the community, which he is not. So there's no active threat to the community, but we are actively searching for the suspect.
Chief, what did you see on the cameras? What was this? Was there an exchange? Anything at all?
So I did not actually watch the cameras, but from what I was told, there was no exchange. The victim was ordering food. The suspect appeared and immediately began shooting at the victim.
Had they been there a while, though?
Or was he driven away?
We're still looking at video, but we do believe he fled the scene in a car.
Did the victim also have a weapon?
We're still determining that.
Had they been there a while, though, or were they just kind of new arrivals?
Well, I don't know how long the victim was there. We do know the suspect was in the parking lot area for a few minutes prior to going into the food court.
What can you tell us about the decision to keep the casino open, to keep MGM open? For all intents and purposes, there's not a heavy police presence inside MGM.
So for us, the decision to keep MGM open, MGM is such a big area that the only crime scene we're looking at right now is in the food court. So for us, as a police department, there's no need for us to close anything else. Everything that we need to gather is in that food court. So we're satisfied with just closing down that area.
So every incident is on camera. How much does it help your investigation with their cameras?
The cameras are absolutely helpful. So any business or community, when they have a crime on camera, it not only helps us expedite the investigation, but it also helps us in the prosecution of the case and holding people accountable.
And so you can track every second of the movement of these people in here, correct?
Primarily, we believe that, yes.
Any word on a motive, sir? What there may have been some kind of beef between these two individuals?
Nothing yet. Like we said, there was nothing that occurred inside MGM where these two individuals encountered one another until the shooting occurred. And I'll take one more question.
Was the victim in the casino beforehand?
That we don't know. Still under review.
You can confirm nobody else was hurt or grazed otherwise?
Yes, we can confirm that.
Someone was grazed.
No, we can confirm that no one else was injured.
And the victim by himself, herself?
Yes, male.
What can you tell us about the security in place in the food court area?
That you have to probably ask MGM what security is in place. Prince George's County Police. We do patrol MGM parking lot, casino, food court area, like we patrol everywhere else within Prince George's County.
And message to the community. Some people say they're seeing more young people show up here at the casino. Are you concerned now?
We haven't seen more young people show up at the casino, but MGM is safe. The harbor is safe. This was a targeted incident. We believe that it would have folded out anywhere once these two individuals came into the same area. And thank you very much.